Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure your SIM is active and voicemail is set up with your carrier. This prevents wasting time. Open the phone app now from your home screen or app drawer. Once done, look for the voicemail icon or simply press and hold the one key. This dials your carrier voicemail. If prompted, enter the PIN your carrier provided. This first action connects you into the voicemail system so you can access messages or prompts. Now you will navigate the voicemail menu. Listen carefully to the recorded prompts because they tell you which number to press. Use your keypad to select options. Press the number for play, save, delete, or repeat messages. Make sure to wait for prompts to finish before pressing keys, since early presses can skip menu items. If you want to change your greeting or access saved messages, follow the prompts for mailbox settings. This is where you personalize your voicemail experience. To finish, follow the automated prompt to exit, or simply hang up once you're done with messages. Make sure you saved any important ones first. If you can't access voicemail, check your network signal, verify the voicemail number stored in phone settings, and confirm your PIN. Incorrect entries often block access. If problems persist, reset voicemail settings or contact your carrier for provisioning. This usually resolves account-level issues. Keep calm and methodically test each step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.